Viewer, I come again with this video, and this video is all about the importance of saying sorry, the latent power, the latent effect of saying sorry in relationships, in marriages, the inability of partners or parents to say sorry to one another, to say sorry to their children, for children to say sorry to their parents has actually damaged many homes, many families. When we say sorry, you see, it can heal a lot of wounds. But because of the ego involved, many people feel that saying sorry means automatically you are the weaker person. Many feel that saying sorry means that you are the person that has the guilt and the shame. Because of that, it's a very tough thing. It's actually difficult for that word to come out of the mouth of many people, especially parents to one another, fathers to mothers, mothers to fathers, children to their parents. But can I tell you something? That when we say sorry, it means that you've actually acknowledged that you've broken the rule. Yes, you've acknowledged that the rule has been broken and that what you've done by breaking the rule is not good. So you are teaching the next person, those that are observing you, that you want them to know that it's not right to break the rules. That's what you've done. Saying sorry, you see, means that you are role modeling. You're modeling the right way. You see, the right way things should be done. When you say sorry, you are making the victim to feel better, the person that was hurt by your action, by your inaction, the person that was hurt by your breaking the rule. You are making the person to feel better when you say sorry. So you can see the latent power in that word sorry. When you say sorry, you help to repair relationships. That word sorry can repair relationships. It can amend relationships. So dear viewer, from today, look at your relationship. Look at, as a parent, how are you relating with your partner? How are you relating with your children? As children, how are you relating with your parent? Do you say sorry when you offend, when you break the rule? Do you say sorry? But before I end this video, make you to like the video and help us to grow this channel. And can I tell you that it's not only about saying sorry always. I also want to encourage you, don't be a serial offender. When you say sorry, make sure you try as much as possible not to repeat the things that made you to say sorry. Don't be a serial offender. It can break relationship. It can hurt your children. You can hurt your husband, hurt your wife. You see, so it's very, very important. From today, learn to say sorry. It could save that your relationship. Thank you for being there. Remember, like the video until we see in the next one. Remain blessed.